guys, as you can see, this is from Michael Kors again. All right, Michael Kors is one brand I really love because they have good quality and the price range is not bad at all. So this time around I decided to get a gift box for it. Okay, normally when I order, I just, since it's coming to me to do the review, I don't ask for a gift box, but this time around I asked for a gift box, guys. So you can ask for a gift box, and I also wrote a little note to myself. Okay, so this is the receipt, and they always send you a return label should in case you need to take it back. All right, okay, so this is the little pretty envelope. You can write a message to yourself, or if you are giving it as a gift, you can also write a message to someone. Okay, so this is the little message I wrote to myself. Hope you enjoyed this special gift crafted to perfection and specially picked for you. So I wrote that to myself. I like the white ribbon. Okay, and it has the name there, Michael Kors. So pretty. Okay, so they will do all this for you. If you are sending it as a gift to someone, you don't have to do it yourself. All right, so yeah, the box is just like the LV box. It's a magnetic one. Okay, all right, so you just open up like so. All right, tissue, and voila, guys, this is what I got. This is what I got. So I'm going to be opening it up in a minute. Let's put the box aside so I can open it up. So let me show you the front. This is the front. It has woven design in front of it. Okay, so this is the side. This is the side, and this is the back. Okay, so let's take all packaging out. I'm not sure if this is going to be a keeper or not. So I'm not sure if I'm going to keep it or not. Okay, guys. So I just want to see what it looks like. First of all, it looks small. Okay. And I think there's a style in the Louis Vuitton, something similar to this. I will show you on the screen what it looks like from the Louis Vuitton line. Okay, so guys, let me give you some details. This one is called Mercier medium woven leather accordion crossbody, and this is in the black. Okay, the product code is 490027235, and Father's Day is coming up, so there was a discount on this. So I got this because of the Father's Day discount that they have with it. Okay, all right. So this is the crossbody strap it came with, and this is what it looks like inside. It has that zipper compartment here and two big openings. Okay, this is a really small crossbody bag. It's really small. Okay, price wise is $448, and I got on sale for, let me look at the sale price now, because I can't remember on top of my head what I got it for, but I know they had the Father's Day sale, and I got it for the Father's Day sale. Yeah, the price is not on the receipt either. Okay, so I will put the price on the screen for you. All right, so I saw the woven details here and I really fell in love with it. I fell in love with the blue one, but the blue one was out of stock, so I decided to get it in the black. Okay, guys. Yeah, it has a back charm here. It has the Michael Kors back charm here as well. Okay. Um, yeah, guys, this is it. So I'll be doing a comparison video with similar products from Louis Vuitton line. Okay. So this is just a quick unboxing. I wanted to show you guys what I got for the Father's Day sale from Michael Kors. Okay. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you all in my next one. Take care now. Bye bye.